Let's learn with us how to book a room in a hotel by phone.
Thanks for calling Quality Inn. Sally speaking.
Hello. I'm interested in booking a room for the September long weekend.
I'm afraid we're totally booked for that weekend. There's a convention in town and we're the closest hotel to the convention center.
Oh, I didn't realize. Well, what about the weekend after that?
So Friday the 17th?
Yes. Friday and Saturday.
It looks like we have a few vacancies left. We recommend that you make a reservation, though. It's still considered peak season then.
Okay. Do you have any rooms with 2 double beds? We're a family of 4.
Yes, all of our rooms have 2 double beds. The rate for that weekend is $129 a night.
Okay. That's reasonable. Can we pay when we arrive?
Yes, but we do require a $50 credit card deposit to hold the room. You can cancel up to 5 days in advance and we will refund your deposit.
Great. I'll call you right back. I have to find my husband's credit card.
Okay. Oh, and just to let you know, our outdoor pool will be closed, but our indoor pool is open.
Thank you for the information.